Hey guys, welcome to Zero Day Reporter. And this video, I'm going to tell you how can you make your personal portfolio looking like this. So you can see like there's a nav bar. On the nav bar, there's a different menu which you can see, and all them you can edit. So React, like this website made in React. This is mobile responsive. Okay, so if I want to show you is responsive or not. So yeah, so like I'm on the mobile device. Okay. Okay. So this is a mobile size screen. So you can see has a hamburger. I think it's not a good thing. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. So yeah, if I click on hamburger icon, so you can see a drop down menu like about me, all this stuff. So this is a like home page, and after that this is just about me page, which is also responsive schools. It's also responsive, whatever you want to add you can add easily. And like this is like more responsive. Okay. So I added all the my project, whatever I want to add, you can just edit and add your project. So I'm providing the whole source code on my GitHub link. There you can like clone the project and even. So right now I'm showing you how can you do this. Okay, so basically on the app, you can see like I provided the whole source code with you. So on the index.css there is some styling which is necessary for your app. And yeah, so I'm using use effect of like first time off, I'm showing loader on the, and after that like there's a navbar component and all the my other component. Okay, so this is the all. And if I go to navbar, then you can see like I make all the like you can code, or you can just whatever you want to, like if you want to code then you can go ahead and write the code, look at there, and whatever you want to write just write it. And here's the styling of this file. Otherwise I would suggest you don't waste your time in coding and that all this stuff. Just change the details whatever you want to change. Like I just like to change some naming like navbar name, so you can change navbar name. So if you want to show you, so it says some data, like all the data is on the hair. Like you can change like John. Okay, so your name, and here also your name and resume link about me. So here's just all the data. Like on the portfolio.js, you have I providing you all the data, and you have to just render. Like if you change here, like whatever you want to change, like all the data is there. And on the component side, if I show you, yeah. So if I show you about me, so we are taking the data from the this like portfolio, and we are just rendering the whole data. So and styling is there. So this resume, like this resume, grabbing a first job. So if you want to go ahead and grab your first job, then make your portfolio looking like this. So it's so simple and using a reusable component. So whatever, like in short and simple, if I describe you, just do one thing. Go on the portfolio.js, okay, and change the all the data, like name, John, like name, domain, resume, and change the about me, paragraph, whatever you want to change, you can change what details, and whatever like what is your skills, so you can change that. And you can also add like project details here. So you have to nothing do. You have to just go and change on this portfolio.js. If you change, like I just change the name John, so you can see, uh, yeah, John. So it's so simple. Like you have to just go on the portfolio.js and you have to just change the data. I provide the source code. You have to just like on the GitHub, you have to just do git clone of this repo, and after that do npm I, and then npm start, and do whatever you want to add, and just change this data, nothing else. So this is more responsive, and this the portfolio is so famous. You can do, like, you can grab your first job. So this is awesome. So I think that's it.